Okay, now let us discuss neural radiance field in some detail. Now it will be very easy for you to understand neural radiance fields because whatever we have studied until now, that foundation will help you in understanding neural radiance field. So neural radiance field is basically we have neural network which represent a scene as a continuous volumetric function. So we already saw the implicit representation of a 3D scene using neural networks. That is what is neural radiance field is, wherein we are representing a 3D scene in the form of neural network. So neural network is representing a scene as a continuous volumetric function. So instead of storing explicit geometry, the network memorizes the scene, the training, allowing it to input the density and color of any point in 3D space when queried. So the this is the neural network. So we train it, and after training, we will give it. Okay, so for while training also, okay, now how we will train it is it will be supervised learning, wherein we will give the input. Input will be the coordinate of the point and the viewing direction, the camera pose. So that is the input, and output will be the properties like the pixel density and the color, and also it can include radiance and all that. So the idea is that first we have to train the model. So when we train, what we give it will tell is that okay, if this is the input, this has to be the output. So we will teach it, and once it will learn, it will learn that continuous volumetric function. So the neural network now it knows the mathematical continuous mathematical function which is representing a scene in which we are interested, which we want to render in real time. The novel view synthesis we have to do. That is the idea. So the input is like 5 dimension. Here the input is 5 dimension, that is x, y, z, and theta and phi. So the x, y, z is the spatial location, and theta and phi is the viewing direction. And the output is 4 dimension, that is the color, that is RGB, and the volume density, that is the sigma.